So I picked up a set of door bushings for the Jeep on Amazon. This model supposed to cover the CJ, YJ, and TJ. This is a TJ that we're working on today. So we start out by removing our door hinge, of course, and then a 13mm wrench to remove the bolts and then lift the door off. That's what our hinge looks like, or our bushing looks like. And this is the new bushing. In order to get it out, it doesn't go all the way through, so you use a chisel and fold the top over. If you get lucky, you'll knock the bushing on out, but in my case, I had to fold it up and then I compressed it using a 3/8 punch, and once it was compressed, then I could drive it out from the bottom, and it drove out very easy, knocking it straight up. So once the bushing was removed, the new bushing is quite a bit longer. The new bushing had to be cut to a length of 3/4 of an inch, and then it fit in perfectly. So now, good deal, no more door sag.